Okay, I think we are ready to test our functions. We have the structure, two structure list, element in list, create empty list. We add data to first of the list. We display the list. Okay, let's test it in main program. Let's say you create a simple variable. Let's say I have list one, L1 here. So you create the variable pointer list here. You need to call to the function list, which is used by this name, create empty list. Then you don't need parameter. Okay, this is you will create an empty list. N is 0, head is nil, and tail is nil. Okay, next we will add some information to list, right, using the function that we have created at begin here. At begin, and then the parameter it's required, it has the list. So we can pass L1 and we just create empty list, and we pass the information that we need. Okay, let's say I want to say 2. So we add some more information. Let's say we have L1 and number 5. Okay, and we want to display the list. We call to the function that we just created here, display, and then we pass L1. Okay, now let's run the program. Okay, something wrong, right? When we run, there's something wrong. Okay, let's take a look on the arrow. There's maybe something wrong. Let's see the build message here. There's something IO stream.h, no such file or directory, right? Okay, there's something wrong in the IO stream, or maybe I write its name. Okay, it's wrongly right. IO stream, there's no .h. Okay, so now we add information. There are number 2 and number 5, right? So when we display the list, we start from head, and now we can see that number 5 displayed first, and then number 2, because 5 is adding last, and it's added to the beginning of the list. Okay? So you can also modify it a little bit here. Let's say something like this. Then we run it again. Okay, 5 and 2. And then let's say we add some more information. Let's say we add number 9 and then number 20. Okay? And inside this we want to have some space. Okay, let's say we have some space, enter here. Okay, so let's see the difference. Okay, semicolon. Okay, as you can see here, at first we add number 2, right, at line 56, and then we add number 5, then we add 29, 5, 2. Okay. This is the way we add it normally. We add to begin, so that last element adding to the list is 20. So now it becomes the first element of the list when displayed with at line 63. Okay. And in case we want to access to the current side of the list, we can access it using the L1 variable here, cn L1, and then access to n here. Okay. We can access to the what is the current side of the list, right? So let's say we want to have some information from this /n size of list is okay. You can run this. It's 4, right? It's 4, right? Because now it's 4. And if we move this around a little bit here to the forward here, when we display this and we display this one, okay. So in here when we add 2 elements, the size is 2. When we add some more elements, the size now becomes 4. It keeping updated, right? So as we have discussed, like linked list, if we can store many indefinite amount of elements, data is not limited. We can store as many as data that we want. It will auto created at runtime, okay? Dynamically created. As long as we call to this function, more data is keeping added, right? All right, so I think thank you for following our video.